Oh, god damn it. Okay, now I have to open the door for him. Oh, are you gonna be okay just there? Is it okay if I don't open the door for you? Is it okay? Can I just sit here, buddy? No? Okay. Here you go. Out you go. Bye-bye, Blue. He's thick. Alright. He was like, I can't sleep here anymore. What's with all this racket? And he left. Okay. It's okay. He still likes you guys. It's okay. This one? I guess this one goes on the top panel. Can I open these to make it easier? Will it be easier if I open it? Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. No, no, no. It's wet. It's wet down there. No. Okay. Alright. No? No. Okay, I'll just leave it closed. So I'll just, kind of goes like that. Okay. Is there still... Oh, wait. No, this needs more water. I spilled most of it, that's why. If you guys want to learn how to do like water slides and stuff, don't learn it from me. I am winging it. Go ask an expert, which is not me. Oh, I mean, you can copy what I'm doing. Results are not guaranteed, though. Scuff is guaranteed. Results? No. Scuff? Yes. No results. Only scuff. Walk. No? No. Okay. Not yet. Yes? No? Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. Bonk. That down. Move, turn. This has to do like a full turn into place. And it's supposed to sit, I think, right there. Yeah, right there. Okay, and we're just gonna take these out. Extra water out. Yeah. More shiny. You know what? Blue actually doesn't really like fruit or vegetables of any sort. Like, I fed him pumpkin, he ate it the first time, and he actively, like, pushed it aside the second time. Blue is a funny dog. He only likes meat. He's a full-on carnivore. Not even an omnivore. He's just a carnivore now. He only eats meat. I don't know how this dog turned out this way, but, you know... He didn't even want to eat watermelon. Can you believe it? He didn't want to... He licked it, and then because... I don't know why, I guess. He just... something popped out at me. He licked it, and he's like, nah, not for me. Not pumpkin, like pumpkin puree. I gave him pumpkin puree. They even had like a sweet potato or like a pumpkin treat stick. And he didn't even go for that either. He was just like, nope, not meat, won't take, no eat. No meat, no take. I was like, Blue, please. And then back then I actually kind of needed him to eat the pumpkin. Because he was having like, we're not sure if he was having like digestion problems or not. So it's, you know, pumpkin and sweet potato is supposed to help, but he wouldn't eat it. And we're like, Blue, please, it's for your own good. So that's that. That's our strange doggo. How much does he weigh? He's supposed to weigh, I think, 60 pounds max. He weighs like 63 or 65 the last time we weighed him. Not a lot, but seeing as how we kind of had to size up in his harness, I guess it was quite a bit. But then again, I don't think he was really eating at the shelter anyways. So, he might have just gone to his original weight and then gone a little bit chunkier. Yeah, our dog is 45. Or not 45, 60. Come on, off. No? Okay. Please just come off like you're supposed to. 45? That's kind of light. Can't imagine. Oh man, if Blue was 45 pounds, it wouldn't cause me so much pain when he collapses on